Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ollie Stone. I'm a mechanic for Justin Boschy here.
Hey guys, I'm Justin Shanty.
Today I'm here with Cameron Camera.
Of chain slap.
Hey everybody, I'm Paul Parabinos from Renthal. Today I'm here with Hunter Lawrence's mechanic, Cameron Camera at Factory Honda HRC Racing. He's going to show you how to install the Renthal RC1 brake pads.
To begin, you'll lay out all the possible tools you'll need to perform this brake pad swap. Next, you want to get your Renthal brake pads out of its package and place them on your bench. First, push your caliper in using your thumbs to allow room to remove the caliper and the brake pads. Next, you want to break your brake pad pin loose, in this case using an 8T handle. In some cases, there'll be a flat blade jam nut that you may have to remove first before you can access your pin bolt. Next, using a 10T handle, remove your brake caliper from the front fork. With your brake caliper in your hand, remove the brake pad pin and remove your brake pads. At this stage, you can then further push your pads into the caliper to allow for more room to install your Renthal brake pads. Next, install your Renthal brake pads in the same position you removed your old ones. Next, use your thumbs to apply downward pressure to compress the spring tension plate to allow for your brake pad pin to be installed. Take your brake caliper and install it back on the front fork. Be sure to get both bolts started before snugging one down. With your caliper now mounted to the fork, return to your brake pin bolt and tighten it down to the manufacturer's suggested torque spec. Just as you did with your brake pin bolt, torque your caliper bolts to your manufacturer's spec. Don't forget to pump up your front brake to repressurize the system before you go riding.